You've spent hundreds, maybe thousands on Facebook ads, and still no conversions. The clicks look fine, but the sales? Nothing. Here's the truth. It's not your product, it's your ad system. In this video, I'll break down exactly why your Facebook ads aren't converting in 2025, and how AI tools like AdsGo are fixing that automatically. Facebook's ad environment has completely changed and not in your favor. Costs keep going up. CPMs are higher. CTRs are lower. Competition's tougher than ever. Privacy updates have made targeting harder, and creative fatigue kills performance fast. That's why advertisers in 2025 are turning to AI-driven optimization to analyze data faster, refresh creatives automatically, and adapt in real time. AI is reshaping how we advertise. Manual scaling? That era's over. So, why aren't your Facebook ads converting? There are three main reasons. 1. Targeting drift. Facebook's algorithm learns from your data. If your ad creative sends mixed signals, it learns the wrong audience, and your budget burns fast. 2. Creative fatigue. People see the same ad several times. They scroll past it. Without fresh creatives, your CTR drops even if your offer's great. 3. Lack of data insight. Most advertisers don't test enough variations. You end up guessing instead of optimizing. That's where AI comes in, and here's how AdsGo fixes every one of those problems. Step 1. Input your product info and goal. Just type what you're selling and what you want: sales, signups, or traffic. Step 2. AI generates optimized creatives. AdsGo analyzes thousands of top-performing ads in your niche and creates multiple ad versions complete with copy, visuals, and CTAs. Step 3. One-click publish. You can preview, tweak, and launch all in minutes. It's like having a full creative team powered by AI. The best part? AdsGo keeps learning from your results, so each campaign performs better than the last. Let's look at a real example. Same budget, same product. Before using AI, CTR 0.7%, rose 0.9. After AdsGo, Contra 2.3%, rose 3.1 inches just 1 week. The difference? AdsGo automatically tested over 20 creative variations, found the best performing angle, and scaled it instantly. So, if you're tired of wasting budget on ads that don't convert, let AI take over the hard part. AdsGo helps you generate better creatives, faster, with higher ROI. Try AdsGo today, link in the description for a free trial. Your next winning ad could be just one click away.